Okay, so I have some code that looks like this, that is very not pretty and not formatted properly and not even readable. So what I can do is I just hit the shortcut Alt Shift and F to format this like this properly. Let's see how I did that. So the extension is called Prettier. Just go to your extensions or hit the shortcut Ctrl Shift X and search for Prettier. Click on this, and I already have this installed. In your case, you'll have an install option here and just install it. Okay. Once you've installed this, you can hit the shortcut Shift Alt and F, and you can have your files formatted. It works with HTML, JS, and more. And one neat little tip is, see, I've not saved this file as denoted by this dot here, and if I just save it using Ctrl S, it will automatically be formatted and saved. So how can we do that? So to do it, just press Ctrl Shift and P. Here you will see the command palette. Just search for preferences and click on open user settings. Here search for default formatter, and here you will see this editor.default formatter. Here enter this esbenp.prettier dash VSCode and editor.format on save to true. Okay, now once you have these two in place, you don't even need to actually press Alt Shift F. You can just save it. Where is the save option? Okay, there is no save option. I'll just press Ctrl S and it will automatically be formatted. And same with JavaScript. I can just save this, and as you can see, JavaScript is also formatted nicely and it looks clean. So this is how you can install and use Prettier on VS Code. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.